Drive tayo through snow day today. Around 15 to 20 centimeter. So yun na yung street namin. Buti na lang maganda yung gulong ko. Yan. Oh my goodness, pa-brake ko talaga lipat siya. Ayan, punta dyan. Yan. Dahan kasi pag may biglaan susupot, brake mo. Bye bye. Iba hindi na nilinis ng mabuti mga sasakyan nila. Kaya ng pulis, ticket na naman. electricity. Snow lang, dami nang walang electricity. Sa akin, bumagyo. Ondoy pa dyan. Kuryente na nga ng iba, hindi pa patay yung kuryente.
75 cases between January and October this year. We're topped out to 18 cases last year. 2022. Basically, the rule is all cases have to be wrapped up in about 18 months. Someone was charged in provincial court or 30 months with the Superior Court case of the ban. What's not to do is know that they got a big intensity last Minister of Justice and the prosecutors. So in fact, the judges last year, but the judge of the defense attorney was saying, hey, this is because police and prosecutors, when the cases during trial get more complicated, we have to go back, this and that. So the two sides are kind of going at each other, but everyone's agreed it's not good to have these cases not fully tried. No one's getting fair day for whichever side you're on the defense or prosecutor.
Don, good job, thank you. Trudy, I'm Ken Connors.
Alright.
You're a little under the weather. We'll be back here in your church tomorrow morning at 5:20. It's going to be a long day. Give yourself plenty of time. Take it easy out there on the road. I was out yesterday with the salt and what have you. The miles and it was quite a few of them on my drive in this morning. Clean off that back window. Safe distance. Trying to take the morning as we can here out on our roads. That's an idea for a mailbox to heaven. It's turned into a hit. I let that one come back.
Celebrate the festive season with Food Plastic gift cards. They provide culinary experiences at Plaza, Second Cup, and more. Purchase your Food Plastic gift cards in restaurants or online at foodplastic.ca.
Hey, son, my friends have 2 kids and 3 hockey. They need a station to do.
That's a lot of driving.
And a lot of arenas.
The Roadcast. It has all-wheel driving and steering wheel and heated front seats.
Nice, because the pieces are
Freezing home today. The 2023 Nissan Roadcast with all-wheel drive starting at $399 a month for 24 months. No way. Our 2023 models have to go. Until January 2nd, down payment is $3,352. Retail value $36,097. Credit details at Nissan.
now at Gracious Craft, get a second pair of glasses for $1 with the first receive a pair of sunglasses as a gift. Yes, sunglasses as a gift until December 31st. Details and appointments on gracious-craft.com.
Good morning. In for Andrew Carter. Ken Connors. KC 800. Another update from the newsroom. James Foster just like minutes away. Good morning. Sunday morning. If this one. There's stories throughout this first half hour here on the Andrew Carter Show. Tell you, 10-year-old girls are here for a mailbox day. This week out nationally. Cemeteries in the UK. This week's story here Matilda Andy's and she came up with this idea of a mailbox stand that's pushing it right to her grandparents who both passed on. Her locals, her mom approached the cemetery in their neighborhood and told them about the idea. They love the old fashioned mailbox, and so the idea caught on there. Or kids who write letters to their grandparents that they're missing that they no longer have. Customers, Montreal, we're down to about 3,000 now. Students looking for a snow day. About 40% of Quebec's public schools are closed anyway because of the SAE teacher strike. As for everybody else, well, Vanguard has announced that it's closed for the day. Keep you covered with any and all other sports and now the latest from the
Come on, Jesus Christ, this guy is doing 40 miles per hour. Do 100!
Take your time on the roads. We have several vehicles ending up in the ditch. Wrench Autumn southbound at Boulevard. They thought that they're not saying their lead. We have the ditch there, so very slow moving traffic on both sides of the 15. We have a jackknife truck highway 20 westbound at Henri Yell backing traffic into the Turpin Interchange. 15 northbound just after the Champlain Bridge. An accident there, left lane. And we also have several slow moving areas. Highway 40 westbound, a vehicle in the ditch just after the Charles de Gaulle stand, so please drive with caution.